Levi, welcome back to carburetorsandmore.com. 832-221-4007. Okay, here, I just wanted to show you the choke got crunched right in there. See the little line right there? That's crunched, and it's not going to work. See? But there your carburetor is, all put back together and tested and ready to go. Your other choke, your new choke, I got the ground wired up for you already, right here. All you got to do is put your hot wire from your key on switch here. But if you don't here's the thing, if you never run the boat in the wintertime when it's 45 degrees or below, 45, you don't really need the choke anyways. So, but that's strictly up to you. It's all set up and ready to go. So, and yes, it was nasty inside. It had some white, like calcified lead type crap in it. I don't know what it was. It was nasty. It's the typical garbage we find in carburetors. I don't know. She had some kind of, it was supposed to be a filter, but it was a spring inside of a, what the hell is it called? Like a cup looking thing that was made out of mesh, like a mesh cup was in there, and it wasn't filtering squat. So I got you a new filter in there. I would still recommend putting a filter in line. We used one of these, but use whatever you'd like, but put a filter in line so that you try to keep as much debris out of your carburetor as possible. Okay, we're out of gear right now. We're going to rev it up a couple times just as if it was sitting in the dock, just doing nothing without it being in gear. Okay. Now the dyno's on, just as if you're in the water and you're going to cruise around with your family or whatever you're going to do. Levi, thank you for sending us your carburetor here to us at carburetorsandmore.com. Our phone number is 832-221-4007.